Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to export your Microsoft Excel worksheet as a JPEG file format without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you select all the area that you want to export as a JPEG file. So for that, I'm going to select any color right here and I'll press Ctrl A. This allows me to select every element and the shell in this particular worksheet. And the next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we come to the top right here and then go ahead and click on this arrow right here. Then go ahead and click on copy as picture. And this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and make sure this is checked as shown on screen. Then go ahead and you choose the picture format right here. And then go ahead and click on OK. Now, after you successfully copy, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and create a new sheet file. For that, press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard, and this allows you to create a new blank Microsoft Excel page. And the next thing you want to do right here is to press Ctrl plus V to paste the shell that you copied from the other Microsoft Excel. Now here, this is where you need to export this particular file as JPEG. For that, go ahead and right click on the copy, go ahead and right click on the paste one. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on save as picture. And this is going to pop up right here. Choose your file destination. So I'm going to save this in desktop. I'll call this one Excel to JPEG, just like so. So go ahead and select the file format. I'm using JPEG file right here. So go ahead and use JPEG. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on save right here. And the file is going to be successfully saved. So I'm going to minimize the two Excel worksheets right here where I look for the JPEG. So here we go. So this is the JPEG file right here. So I'll go ahead and click on it and open it as a JPEG. Just like so. Now we have it right here. It's that simple. You can see all the shell, everything remains intact. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks how best to use Microsoft Excel like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.